Hello everybody. So today we have to learn how to add the Spring Boot plugin in Eclipse IDE or STS tool. It is the same process where it is STS tool or Eclipse IDE. So before add the plugin Spring Boot in Eclipse IDE, it is very important to check the compatibility of the Eclipse IDE version and Spring plugin. So just go to the Eclipse IDE, go to the help tab and click here Eclipse Marketplace. Just wait. Just wait some moment here and type here Spring and click enter. Here there are two plugins, Spring Tools aka Spring Tool Suite 4.31 and Spring Tool 3. This is the old version. For before installing these tools, just check the ID versions once again. So my ID version is 4.32. So it is compatible with my ID. So I download this Spring Tool Suite. So just click on the install. It will take some time to downloading. So let's see our Spring Boot plugin is downloaded. Now here it is your choice to add the Cloud Foundry manifest language server feature and Conquer pipeline language server feature. It is your choice. So if you have it, so click on that boxes. Let's see here and just confirm here. So let's see the downloading is starting here. So just wait some moment. It will be downloading. Let's see the Spring Boot plugin is downloaded. Just here accept all that license. Just click on the I accept the terms of the license and agreement and just finish it. Let's see here the software is installing. Just wait some moment. Uh, just careful to the Eclipse ID. Here nothing is shown to be with Spring Boot plugin. After Spring Boot plugin, we have to see here Spring sign. If you see that sign, then you have the definitely downloaded the Spring Boot plugin in your Eclipse ID. Just so, just wait some moment. After installing the software, it is important to restart the Eclipse ID. So just wait another some moment. Due to network issue, it will take more time. Here, due to the authority for the site, let's click on both boxes and trust selected. Now, now the next process is downloading. Go start. So let's observe here the sign. Let's see how to check the Spring Boot is downloaded or not. There are multiple ways. Here is the first sign, and another way is there. Go to the file, go to the new. Here you can see Spring Starter project. Or otherwise, if you don't see here, go to the other, type here Spring. Let's see. So thank you.